Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ranjana Gogoi, Associate Professor in Statistics, working at Gurgaon College. Today, I am going to describe the moving average method of measuring trend component of time series analysis. This lecture is based on the syllabus of BSc Non-CBCS 6 semester Statistics Major Paper Applied Statistics, which is taught in the colleges under Dibrugarh University. The moving average method consists in measurement of trend by smoothing out the fluctuations of the data by means of a moving average. Moving average of period M is a series of successive averages, that is the arithmetic means of M terms at a time, starting with first, second, third term, etc. Thus, the first average is the mean of the first M terms. The second is the mean of the M terms from second term to M plus first term and so on. If M is odd, suppose M is equal to 2k plus 1, then moving average is placed against the mid value of the time interval it covers. But if M is even, that is M is equal to k plus 1, then it is placed between the two middle values of the time interval it covers, that is between t equal to k and t equal to k plus 1. In the latter case, the moving average does not coincide with an original time period. And an attempt is made by the centering the moving averages by taking the moving averages of period 2 and putting these moving averages in between two moving averages from which second moving average is computing. That is, the first of these values against t equal to k plus 1. So, the graph obtained on plotting the moving average values against the corresponding time points gives the required trend line. In moving average method, the main problem is to selecting the time period of the moving average, which will completely eliminate the oscillatory movements affecting the series. If the fluctuations are regular and periodic, then the moving average completely eliminates the oscillatory movements, provided the period of moving average is exactly equal to or a multiple of the period of oscillation and the trend is linear. But the different cycles vary in amplitudes and period, hence the appropriate period of moving average should be equal or greater than the mean period of the cycles in the data. In such cases, moving averages method does not completely wipe out the cyclical movements and hence fails to give a proper picture of the general trend. Moving average method is flexible in the sense that the addition of a few more figures to the data simply results in some more trend values. The previous calculations are not affected at all. The moving average method has some limitations too. It does not provide trend values for all the terms. For example, a moving average of period twice k plus 1, we have to skip the trend values for the first k and the last k terms of the series. It cannot be used for forecasting or predicting future trend, which is the main objective of trend analysis. The moving average method gives a correct picture of the long-term trend of the series if the trend is linear or approximately linear and the oscillatory movements affecting the data are regular in period and amplitude. So if trend is not linear, moving average introduces bias in the trend values. So dear student, I conclude today's lecture here. Thank you.